Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permission. You must be the owner or explicitly allowed to see responses. Once done, sign into the correct Google account on your laptop and open Google Forms. Make sure two-step verification is active if your organization requires it, because secure access prevents accidental leaks. Then select the exact form you need. This step prevents confusion later and ensures you're viewing legitimate, authorized data rather than attempting anything improper. Once the form is open, click the Responses tab to access aggregated summaries and per-question stats. Next, switch to Individual View to read each respondent's answers one at a time. This is how you legally inspect submissions. If you need analysis, use the three-dot menu to export to Google Sheets or download a CSV. This makes filtering and sorting simple. You do this because spreadsheets let you find trends, export backups, and apply permissioned sharing safely. To finalize, enable quiz mode if you created the form. This lets you set correct answers and auto-grade submissions, giving you a clear view of correct versus submitted responses. Then link the form to Google Sheets for backup, filters, and controlled sharing with collaborators. If you don't see expected responses, make sure you're signed into the right account, verify form sharing settings, and confirm respondents submitted successfully. These checks resolve most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.